Hey guys, Forrest from Thrust Institute of Maintenance. We're working today on a wonderful project for our students. Ultimately, this airplane is going to become a trainer for an up-and-coming avionics segment of our program. The idea is we got one of the fuselages from BAS, and our students have removed the tail, are doing some structural repairs, and going to get it ready so that way our students can eventually learn to wire up radios and wire up various other components. Now, if we come over here, we have our students hard at work tearing down a Lycoming O235 engine. This engine can be found on Cessna 152s and Piper Tomahawks. Very popular engine, and they've actually done a great job and have it stripped all the way down to the case. Finally, we've got one more aircraft engine over here that's coming apart. It is a Continental IO360 found on the Cessna Mixmaster, the Cessna 337. Kind of a unique aircraft with some two tail booms, and we have a front engine and rear engine instead of having one on each wing. This engine right here is going to be used as training aid for our students to help them practice tear down and reassembly of aircraft engines. As always, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see here. On top of it, if any of you guys are interested in becoming aircraft mechanics, be sure to reach out to our admissions department today. We have classes available during the days, during the evening, both here and at our Conroe, Houston area location. Thank you guys, and have a great day.